What's up guys, my name's Joe, and if you've been on Instagram recently, you may have seen that we've officially announced the release date for Cloud Control Hair Oil by BluMaan. If you haven't been on Instagram recently, go on and check out the page. It's at BluMaan. I've been posting a lot of fire posts lately. But more importantly, Cloud Control drops on June 12th. That is in 2 days. You can stay up to date and be the first to know when this drops on June 12th with our newsletter linked down below. And also, I'm gonna be going live on Instagram on June 12th to answer any and all of your hair oil related questions. That's another reason to check out the gram. So to get prepped up for this launch, I wanna talk about 5 ways that you can use hair oil to have better, more healthy, and more controlled hair. The first and main way to use a hair oil, including Cloud Control, is to have it be a part of your pre-styling routine. Your hair looks its best when it looks naturally soft and has a natural sheen to it, and that's the main aim of the game when it comes to this stuff. You wanna start with damp hair and take just this small amount, between 2 to 3 drops. Obviously, it's dependent a little on your hair type and hair length, but what's most important to realize is just because you might not feel the oil at first when you first apply it into your damp hair, you will definitely feel it as you dry it down. So always start with less and add more as necessary. Then add whatever you normally use as your pre-styler, and for me, that is, of course, Original by BluMaan. If you use it this way, the oil is gonna do a couple of things. First, because it's loaded with natural oils and botanical extracts, and by the way, Cloud Control, it's 100% natural. And that was something that was really important to me and took a long time to accomplish. Like, I can't wait for you guys to check out this ingredients list. It's pretty lengthy, but it's 100% natural. But because of this, as you start blow drying your hair and throughout the day, you're gonna be getting that all day leave-in conditioning effect, while the oil promotes hair health, growth, and repairs damage and dryness. Secondly, your hair is gonna become softer, and softer hair is easier to control. This is super helpful as a pre-styler because it means that you can manipulate your hair in the direction that you want it to go in more easily and keep it there thanks to the oil. And in addition to promoting hair health, your hair is going to physically look healthier because of the natural sheen that hair oils provide. Now we're in the middle of a giveaway right now, and you can enter for the chance to win some Cloud Control for free, along with some other awesome stylish goodies from Cato brand and Oliver Cabell. The total is worth $700. We're calling it the head to toe giveaway. You've got Cloud Control for your hair, Cato brand for your clothes, and Oliver Cabell for your feet. So make sure that you sign up for a chance to win, and I've got all of that information linked down below. The second way to use a hair oil is for any of you guys who throw on a cap such as this before you go out and you go to the gym or you go hiking or any form of physical activity. What I've started doing is before going to the gym in the morning, so yes, this is me from this morning with crazy hair, but I'll rinse out my hair fully and towel dry it as much as possible. Then I'll throw in a liberal amount of hair oil and make sure that my hair feels saturated before combing it into place and throwing on my cap. And by doing this, I'm creating an intense leave-in conditioning treatment thanks to all those healthy ingredients in the hair oil, and I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I got the nourishment going while I'm accomplishing something out doing my thing. When I get back home, my hair has a decent amount of time to soak in those delicious nutrients and start making my hair softer. The third way is kind of like the second way, but towards the evening. When you're done with your day and you're ready to just chill at home, you can throw in a liberal amount of hair oil, even on top of your currently styled hair, and even if it has hair product, and just let that soak in for a few hours until you're ready to go to bed. Usually by the time you're ready to go to bed, the oil would have been in your hair long enough and your hair would have soaked in enough oil so you can actually go to bed and not worry about the oil spreading to your sheets and stuff. But if you do have skin on the more sensitive side, I would definitely recommend at least rinsing out your hair before getting into bed. But this is such a fantastic way to have an easy leave-in conditioner. It doesn't require any fancy ingredients, just the oil. Take a bunch of that oil, spread it throughout, leave it for a while, especially if you do this a few times a week. The results you're gonna get are softer, healthier hair, and it's gonna be noticeable. The fourth way to use this guy, this one is it's a little bit of a life hack. Have you ever had days when you accidentally put too much hair product in your hair, or your hairstyle just feels super stiff, or you can't run your fingers through your hair? Well, an easy way to fix this without restarting the whole hairstyling process is just to grab a few drops of hair oil, rub that into your hands, and throw that into already styled hair. What you'll find is that the oil will instantly bite into the hair product that you had in your hair and instantly reduce the stiffness and just make it look and feel a lot more natural. And this works especially well if you tend to use a hair product that kind of dries your hair out. And finally, you can put on your face, use it as a beard oil. Just like the nourishment and subtle shine that the oil adds to the top of your head, the same will happen for your beard. Now, I don't have much of a beard. I tend to keep it pretty short, so my normal grooming routine works just fine for me. But if you've got one, by all means, it'll work amazing for that as well. Again, Cloud Control drops on June 12th. That is in 2 days' time. I'm so excited to finally get this out there. Also, the packaging, huh? It's pretty sick. And in the meantime, you can check out the giveaway down below. We're $700. We're running that for a few more days, so sign up. It's not too late yet. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see everybody next time.